Video will be computing x bar and y bar from following equations of regression lines. So these two are the equations given, and firstly x bar and y bar are a set of ordered pairs. So x bar and y bar are 2 points through which the regression lines passes. So firstly, considering this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, we know that regression line passes through x bar and y bar. So at x bar and y bar, 2x plus 3y plus 1 will be changed as 2x bar plus 3y bar. Send 1 that side, it will become minus 1. Yes. And second equation similarly you can rewrite as x bar plus 6y bar is equal to 4. So now you have to solve this question. You have to solve these two simultaneous equations. So here multiply it by 2. You will get 2x bar plus 3y bar is equal to minus 1, and here 2x bar plus 12y bar is equal to 8. So if you solve these two equations, you will get x bar value as minus 2 and y bar value as 1. So x bar y bar values are minus 2 and 1. So first part of our question, that is computing x bar and y bar from the regression lines, is done. Next we have to calculate r value now. So r is equal to, we know that r is under root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. From first equation we'll take coefficient of x, and from second equation we'll take coefficient of y. So from the first equation, if you write y is equal to minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3, you'll get. Okay. Similarly, from second equation, you can write it as x is equal to minus 6y plus 4. So coefficient of x is minus 2 by 3, and here coefficient of y is minus 6. So r is equal to under root of minus 2 by 3 into minus 6. So you will get the answer as under root 4. So under root 4, if you solve, you will get plus or minus 2. So, but the problem here is r value should always lie between minus 1 to plus 1, right? So here what we have got plus 2 minus 2. So it is not admissible. Not admissible value. So in this case, what we'll do, we'll shift the value, like we'll take from first equation we'll take coefficient of y, and from second equation we'll take coefficient of x. Okay, from first equation, yeah, I have written it here. So yes, so from first equation, if you write it, you'll get it as x is equal to minus 3 by 2 y minus 1 by 2. And second equation, if you rewrite, you'll get it as y is equal to minus 1 by 6x plus 4 by 6. So now r is equal to under root minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 6. So if you solve, under root 1 by 4, that is 0.25. So this is the r value, which is acceptable value of r, because it is less than 1. So I hope you have understood how to solve this question. If at all you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.